Hello everyone! In this part of our tutorial series, I will explain guides and rulers to you. Looking at my workspace, I currently don't see any rulers. To activate the rulers, press Ctrl R on your keyboard or click on the ruler icon in the Properties menu to toggle them on and off. Another way to show rulers is through the View menu, where you can select Rulers and then Show Rulers. This option allows you to easily toggle the rulers. When you right-click on the ruler, you can see its unit of measurement. Additionally, you can also change the document's unit of measurement. To create a guide, click and hold on the ruler, then drag towards the workspace. This is our alignment guide, and you can release it at the desired position to create a guide. As you can see, we've placed several guidelines along the edges of our document. To ensure that your guides don't move while working, you can lock them by selecting Lock Guides from the Properties menu. If you want to clean up your design view but don't want to delete the guides, you can use the Hide Guides option from the Properties menu. This temporarily hides the guides, and you can bring them back whenever you need. Another useful feature is enabling Smart Guides. This helps you see the relationship between objects or with the workspace more easily during the design process. Now, I am drawing a rectangle, and when I bring the cursor close to the object's intersection point, it automatically snaps to it. This ensures perfect alignment of objects. I can also draw additional objects and add guides in between them. Using these guides, we can align the objects correctly and achieve perfect results. Guides that help objects snap to the corners or centers of the workspace make the design process much smoother. Similarly, when copying objects, these smart guides help us. For example, if two objects are directly aligned, it will indicate when one object's starting point matches another's end. The Smart Guide feature is very helpful during the design process, and you can take full advantage of it too. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and leave a comment. See you soon!